I'm Xin Yun and I'm a student dietitian at Mount Miriam Cancer Hospital. Eating a lot of red meat and processed meat can increase the risk of colon cancer. However, there is no conclusive report to explain how exactly red meats and processed meat can induce cancer. Possible reasons could be higher intake of red meats and processed meat is associated with higher intake of fats and calories, which may lead to overweight and obesity. And we are convinced that overweight and obesity can increase the risk of non-communicable diseases, including cancer. In addition, cooking meat at high temperatures such as barbecuing or grilling over an open flame can produce more cancer-promoting factors. One should not eat more than 90 grams of red meat or processed meat in a day, and it should not be taken for more than 5 days per week. 90 grams of red meat or processed meat is roughly similar a size of your palm. Red meats are the meats of mammals which are usually red when raw. Examples are beef, lamb, mutton, and pork. Processed meats are any meats that have been treated in order to improve its flavor and to extend its shelf life. Examples are sausages, bacon, ham, luncheon meat, nuggets, and smoked meat. To prevent colon cancer, maintain a healthy weight and normal BMI is the key. Watch out your calories intake, eat more fiber, limit red meat and avoid processed meat. Exercise every day for at least 30 minutes a day and you will be able to reduce overall cancer risk. So remember, if you need a personalized advice on your diet, always consult with a dietitian or your healthcare provider. Thank you and happy International Dietitians Day!